Hi everyone. Today I'll be making Tang Pie. What all goes into the Tang Pie? 1/2 cup of dry tang, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 8-ounce packaged cream cheese softened, 1 9-inch prepared graham cracker crust, 1 8-ounce container Cool Whipped thawed and divided, and 8 mandarin orange segments for garnish. So let's begin. Take a large bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of dry tang. I used to have tang when I was a kid and I was not fond of it. Then your 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. And your 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. And beat that with an electric mixer on high speed until well combined. It looks well mixed. Then fold in 2 cups of the whipped cream. Then I'll save the rest of the whipped topping for garnish. And then fold this in, and to fold you go from the bottom and around so you don't deflate the whipped cream. And when you're doing this, you really feel like, oh, I can do it faster if I just stir. You don't want to do that. From the bottom and fold up and over. That'll make a fluffier pie. So after you get it all mixed up, take your 9-inch pie dish, put in your pie filling. How many of you have had tang when you were growing up? Do you drink tang now, or do your kids drink tang? A few years ago, I did a recipe that used tang. And that was the first time I realized that they still made tang. All right, so then just spread it out. You could probably use a 10-inch graham cracker crust as well. May not be as poofy high as this one. You want to put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour, and then we'll take it out and garnish it and serve it when Dave gets home. Here is the Tang Pie. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Looks orange. Has an orange on top. That's real creamy.
That is
Orangey.
Yeah, well that's good because that is Tang Pie.
The drink mix stuff?
Yes.
Wow. That is really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.